Most people still lose money to bank fees and low interest. Today I'll show you how to flip it. Get paid early, skip ATM fees worldwide, avoid overdrafts, and earn competitive savings yields, with real examples from 2025. If you want your bank to finally work for you, stick around. In the next 10 minutes, we'll compare actual perks you can get right now. Early direct deposit, worldwide ATM fee refunds, accounts with no overdraft fees, current high-yield savings rates, legit new account bonuses, and instant payments via FedNow. I'll give specific banks and numbers, and you can mix and match what fits your life. Bank fees add up fast. The average out-of-network ATM fee in the US is about $4.77 per withdrawal, and the average overdraft fee sits around $27 per incident. If that happens a few times a year, you're easily out $100, $300. Let's cut that to zero. Several banks now release payroll up to 2 days early once your employer sends the file. Examples: Capital One, $360. Checking advertises up to 2 days early. SoFi Checking and Savings promotes access to your paycheck up to 2 days early. Chime also markets get paid early when they receive the deposit file. The catch: timing depends on your payer. But if getting paid sooner helps you avoid late fees or credit card interest, this perk is worth it. If you travel or live near out-of-network ATMs, pick an account that refunds fees. Charles Schwab Bank's Investor. Checking refunds unlimited ATM fees worldwide and does not add foreign transaction fees on the debit card. Fidelity's cash management account also reimburses ATM fees automatically, worldwide, though they note a possible 1% network fee in some cases. Meanwhile, some app-based banks give huge fee-free networks but don't reimburse out-of-network machines. Good to know before your trip. Overdraft fees are still around for many accounts, but a growing list of banks eliminated them altogether. Capital One removed all overdraft and NSF fees for consumer accounts. Ally Bank removed overdraft fees across the board. Choose an account with either no overdraft fees or a free overdraft transfer line. Small change, big peace of mind. Rates move, but competitive online savings accounts are still paying several percentage points as of late summer 2025. Examples highlighted in recent roundups. Axos Savings has been showcased up to the mid 4% range when bundled with conditions, per July 2025 coverage. Everbank's performance savings around the low 4% range. Some institutions or credit unions offer special tiers like 5.50% APY on the first $1,000. Nice for starter funds. Then normal rates apply. If your primary bank pays you close to zero, it's time to split your setup. Checking for bills, plus a separate high-yield savings for your emergency fund and short-term goals. U.S. banks compete hard for new customers with bonuses, often $200 to $500 for checking, and sometimes more for bigger deposits. Examples seen in current roundups. Chase Personal Checking around $300 with simple deposit requirements. Bank of America up to $500 tiers depending on direct deposit total. Business accounts can offer $300, $750. These promos change monthly, so always check the latest terms and your eligibility before applying. Instant payments are finally going mainstream. The Federal Reserve's FedNow service runs 24/7, 365, and, as of mid-2025, has passed roughly 1,400 participating financial institutions across all 50 states. Not every bank offers instant person-to-person yet, but the rails are there and growing. Why it matters: instant payroll, account-to-account transfers on weekends, and fewer cash flow gaps that lead to fees. Here's how to combine the perks for maximum savings. Step 1. Open an early pay checking account. For example, Capital One 360, SoFi. Step 2. Add an ATM refund account if you travel, Schwab or Fidelity. Step 3. Use a no overdraft bank, Capital One Ally, to avoid surprise fees. Step 4. Move your buffer and emergency fund to a competitive high-yield savings account. Step 5. If you're opening something new anyway, compare current sign-up bonuses and pick one with requirements you can realistically meet. That's a simple system to put hundreds of dollars back in your pocket each year. Let's say you travel twice a month and use random ATMs. With an average $4.77 fee, that's $115/year in ATM charges, you can reduce to $0 with Schwab or Fidelity. If your checking sometimes dips, one overdraft avoided at $27 already pays for the account switch. And if your savings moves from $0% to $4% APY, $10,000 could earn roughly $400/year before tax. Add a one-time $300 checking bonus and you've materially improved your finances. Turn on alerts, enable two-factor login, auto-pay essentials the day after payday, push your extra cash to savings, and save PDFs or screenshots of any bonus terms so you don't miss deadlines. Banks aren't all the same in 2025. With the right combo, early pay, ATM refunds, no overdrafts, real APYs, and smart bonuses, you can stop leaking money and start earning it. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Craft of Money, and tell me in the comments which perk you'll switch on first. See you next time. Before you go, let's do a rapid-fire lightning round of hidden bank perks that could save you even more. Some you might not even know your bank already offers. Perk 1. Free ATM withdrawals worldwide. Look for banks that refund all ATM fees, even internationally. Perk 2. Card lock and unlock in seconds. Lose your card? Instantly freeze and unfreeze it right in your app, no phone call needed. Perk 3. Purchase protection. Some debit cards now cover theft or damage on certain purchases. Perk 4. Early direct deposit. Get paid up to 2 days early. No more waiting for payday. Perk 5. Instant fraud alerts. Get notified the second something suspicious happens. Perk 6. Free financial tools. Many banks now include budgeting, goal tracking, and credit score monitoring at no extra cost. Check your bank's app or website for these features. Many are just a tap away. Unlock what you're missing and keep more of your money working for you. Let's bring these perks to life with a real example. Meet Sam. Sam used to stick with the same old checking account for years, until he realized he was missing out on some serious savings. One day, Sam switched to a bank that refunded all ATM fees. He switched to a bank that charged 0 monthly maintenance fees. He enabled instant fraud alerts. He started using the built-in budgeting tool to track his spending. In just 1 year, Sam saved $120 on ATM fees, $180 in monthly account charges, $100 from a sign-up bonus, ATM fees $120, plus monthly fees $180, plus bonus $100, $400 saved. $400 back in his pocket, used for a weekend getaway. So take a closer look at your own bank account. A simple switch plus enabling a few smart features could put real cash back in your wallet, just like Sam. Switching banks can seem overwhelming, so let's tackle some of the most common questions. First up, will switching banks hurt your credit score? For most people, the answer is no. Opening or closing a checking account. Opening or closing a savings account doesn't directly impact your credit unless you apply for a new credit product or leave an account with a negative balance. Next, is it safe to bank online? Absolutely, if you choose a reputable bank. Look for two-factor authentication, instant fraud alerts, secure mobile apps. Always use strong passwords. Avoid public Wi-Fi when accessing your accounts. What if you need to deposit cash? Many online banks let you deposit cash at partner ATM's retail locations. For traditional banks, you can still visit a branch or ATM for quick deposits. And finally, how long does it take to switch accounts? With most banks, you can open a new account online in minutes. Just remember to update your direct deposits and automatic payments for a smooth transition. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments, and we'll help you make the switch with confidence. Ready to make the switch? Here's your 60-second setup checklist for a seamless transition to your new bank account. 1. Choose your new bank and open an account online. Have your ID handy. Have your personal info ready. 2. Make a list of all your direct deposits and recurring payments, paychecks, subscriptions, utility bills. 3. Update your direct deposit details with your employer or benefits provider. 4. Switch over all your automatic payments. Log into each service and update your new account info. 5. Transfer your remaining balance to the new account. Keep the old account open for a few weeks just in case. 6. Monitor both accounts. Watch for missed payments. Watch for missed deposits. 7. Once you're sure everything's running smoothly, close your old account. Don't forget to download your statements for your records. Tick each step off as you go. You'll be set up, stress-free, in no time. Ready to take action? Download your free printable bank switch checklist from the link in the description. Keep your transition stress-free and organized. If you've ever switched banks before, share your tips in the comments. Share any surprises you encountered. We love learning from your experience. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more money smart moves.